Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another interesting recipe from the Konkani cuisine. We'll be seeing how to prepare good pies. This is a dry payasam prepared using raw rice or leftover rice. This is usually prepared as a nivedyam or a prasad during Nag Panchami, or it can also be prepared as a sweet recipe during other occasions. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require is 1 cup of raw rice, half to 3/4 cup of grated jaggery, half cup of grated coconut, 2 to 3 tablespoons of homemade ghee, 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi or cardamom powder, and a pinch of salt. Firstly, to begin with, take a mixing bowl and into that add the raw rice and wash and soak this for minimum 2 to 3 hours before further use. Once the raw rice is soaked well, drain the excess water out of it. Next, take a thick bottom kadai and into that add 2 cups of water. Now allow this water to boil. Once the water starts boiling, add the previously soaked raw rice into it. Mix this well and lower the flame to low to medium and allow the raw rice to cook. Once the raw rice is well cooked, add the grated jaggery into it. Now add 1 more cup of water and give this a good mix. Keep stirring this and cook this in low to medium flame until the water completely evaporates. Once your good pies is almost ready, add the cardamom powder and salt into this. And finally into this add the homemade ghee and the grated coconut and mix this well. Now our delicious good pies is ready. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.